So my name is Will Floyd-Jones. I am a co-founder and engineer at Realtime Robotics. Realtime Robotics is an industrial automation startup based out of Boston, Massachusetts. We work on motion planning technology. So that's a set of systems and tools to help multiple robots coordinate their motions and kind of get around other robots and static objects in their environment. Logistics is something that we're getting more and more interested in. So if you've got two robots palletizing, and for that we have a product called RapidSense, which can basically use a bunch of these depth cameras, kind of look at the scene, and then figure out how well the pallet is being stacked up, whether there are any errors. And then we have RapidPlan operating so that these two robots can kind of coordinate their motions, not hit each other, not hit the pallet, not damage any of these things that they're stacking up. So on the automotive side, if you've got some robot workcell where there's a bunch of robots, something goes wrong, all of the robots will kind of plan motions out of this screwed up configuration into some known non-screwed up configuration. You specify the model of the workcell by uploading this CAD data into our tool. Car bodies and walls and floors and weld guns and clamps and cameras, all kind of things. Based on where the customer tells us things are, we figure out how to get robots to plan motions. We don't want to get involved in this really challenging task of how do we support all of the different CAD formats. And so what's nice about CAD Exchanger is not only can it load all of this stuff in a way that basically hides that from the programmer, but it also provides a common way to access this stuff. As soon as I found it, I decided to use it. It took me about 10 minutes to make this decision. One of the nice things about CAD Exchanger is the meshing support it provides. Turning any BREP representation into meshes is important for us for visualization and collision checking and a bunch of other things. And CAD Exchanger provides a really nice API where there's basically just a couple of knobs that let you control how precisely you want to turn analytic representation of a shape into a numerical one. We had, I think, at least 2 customers had asked for support for these .jt files, and we couldn't support them, but after integrating CAD Exchanger, we simply could.